Hello, welcome to this training. This is Gabriel from GATEC Group. Today, we are going to start with training on Python, and we are going to first of all see what we need to do before we start learning Python. So, what do you need to do before you start learning Python? Is what we are going to see. So, first of all, you need to learn. What is Python, first of all? So Python is an open source and cross-platform programming language that has become increasingly popular over the last 10 years. So it was first released in 1991, and the latest version is Python 3.13. I think that's what we have so far. So for you to start working on Python, the first thing you just need to go to Google, then you type Python, and you go to the Python .org website. Click on it, and then download it. Click on download. Okay, you click on download, then you choose, I think, this one, latest version for Windows. Okay, you will see that for Windows. You click on the download, and you download it. I've actually downloaded it already. I think I should have it here already. So you can download it, and once it has downloaded, you open it on your desktop, and you do the installation. I think, let's see, my desktop. So let's see, go back here, and let's go to home, download. I think it should be done by now. So I did it before, working Python. Okay, so you see downloading. So you can let me just pause the video for some few seconds and wait for it to download. Okay, so I believe it has downloaded now. Just go to your download folder, double click on it, and then just click next, 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 next. Okay, so you just click on install, and then it will launch. I can't do that again because I've actually installed it already. So once you are done, to check if you have actually installed, you go to your uh, uh, CMD. I think, let's see, let us come back to this. Let me just show something here before we continue. There is a particular stage. Okay, so let me just do it again. And you say yes. Okay, launching the new Python, yes. So just follow the procedures. I believe it won't take much time, and everything will be set. So what do we have here? You say add commands directly to your path. That one, yes. So this is a new style that I've used now. Install Python or see Python now. Say yes. Okay. So once you have, you see now we have Python 3.14. View online hub, no. Okay. So once that have been installed, you open up your command prompt or your shell or PowerShell. You type there Python. Okay. So you see that we have Python 3.5 that is showing. Okay. Now let me come out from it. So Control Z to come out from there. I think they have said C Python. So let's see if we put C Python, what does it give us? It was an error. Okay. So once you type Python, you'll be able to get the version of Python that is being installed in your computer. Now, the second thing you are going to do, we are going to be working with an IDE, okay, integrated development environment. That's what we're going to be working with in this session. You know, if I once you have typed, for example, I took Python, then I'll maybe say 5 plus 6, you see, it give us 11. If I say 10 minus 9, you give us 1. So you can start working directly. So you will not be able to build amazing application with this method. So what we're going to use integrated integrated development environment, which is called PyCharm. Okay, you can work with PyCharm. You just simply go to this jetbrains.com, click on PyCharm, then install it, download and install it. I won't download that one, okay? I want to make the video very short. So you download and you install it. Then once you have installed it, you will have something like this one. So that's what we are going to be working on uh, doing these training videos. I will take you step by step on how you can start running your uh, Python programs, on how you can start programming using Python. So before we conclude, there are some few things you need to be able to have master for us to work alongside doing this program. The first thing is that you must understand some basic of computer skills. You should know basic mathematics, even though it's not required, but it's going to be helpful for you. You should know, you should have the problem solving mindset. You should be able to have that ability to solve problems. Okay, you should have that mindset of solving problems. You should also understand some basics of English, okay, because Python keywords are in English, okay. If you are somebody of French, just understand some basics of that, and then basic of programming languages. Let's try to run a particular program using this our command prompt. So we can say, for example, print, let's put it in bracket, and then we'll say hello Gatek group, and we run this. You see, it will display hello Gatek group. So because we want to display Gatek group, okay, we're saying hello Gatek group. So this is basically how you can start running your programs on your command shell, your Python programs using your command shell. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video. And please do not forget to subscribe and like, follow us on Facebook and also on this YouTube channel. See you. Ciao, ciao.